Hello, happy Saturday, October 26th. Welcome to the worst production quality screencasts on available. Today I'm not going to be working on Converse. I'm going to be playing around just for a few minutes here, probably about 20 minutes or so, with an idea I have called MEAME, Media Expansion and Multiplication Engine. So first things first, I guess we got to open this up in Cursor. And I've got some documentation here. I don't know what I got. MEAME architecture. Looks like this is Mermaid. I think if I just view this, it'll show. That's not how I do that. Yes, this is a little hard to read. How do I set up triple check? I think it's accessibility zoom. So the thing about my my recordings is they're terribly low quality. They're terrible low quality, they're not planned out, and they're authentic. So here we go. So there's a thing called zoom and accessibility, and I want to set up the shortcut for zoom to be triple click. Use keyboard shortcuts, use trackpad gesture, double tap 3 fingers to toggle zoom. Yeah, I like that. And then so I need to be able to follow this around. So not at the edge of the screen though. So use scroll gestures to modify. I don't know. Use scroll gestures, modify key for scroll gestures, zoom style. Stop it. I don't want full screen, split screen, picture in picture is too confusing. I'll go advanced, continuously with pointer. Is this what we want here? Yeah, so I want to be able to go like that. And then what is the other option here? When pointer reaches edge, to keep pointer centered. No, that feels really awkward. Continuously with pointer. Restore zoom factor on startup. No. Smooth images. Yes. Flash screen with notification banner upsides. Disable universal control and zoom in. Zoom each and display it individually. Use keyboard shortcuts. Minimum zoom. Maximum zoom. Let's see. Do I have enough here? Yeah, that's plenty to read. I wonder if I could also... is there any way to use CSS to increase the font size of this? Can you just do so with one of these nodes so I can try it out? This is ridiculous. This is not working. Okay. Create a simple mermaid chart with CSS class for a large font size, please, and do one for a small font size as well. So I want some kind of chart with small font, some kind of, in that same chart, I want big font. Great, almost done. Not sure what's going on here. I actually don't know how to read mermaid syntax, but it looks like it's putting together my... Okay, what's going on here, guys? I want to have fun with AI, not do this shit. syntax error? Holy cow, it did. I don't know what the hell is going on. I guess I can go here. Source control. What is this? Focus on source control graph view. Do that. Do a Command K. Command K. No. Command K. 16 existing. Command Shift K. What has this? Delete line and cursor open edit. What is this? Open edit. I thought that was Command K. Yeah, no, why? Yeah. Command Shift K. So let's remove key binding and then remove that. Open source control. Source control, focus, control view, source control. Okay. There we go. What is this? Goodbye. Discard. And something else. Large font size. Class B has large font size, but it does not look like this works. Well, yeah, it does not look like any font size is any bigger. Okay, so don't save. So far I've got nothing done, and then don't need this. Okay, so, well, to look at the actual architecture here, let's create a composer, MEAME architecture. Can you go ahead and create a state chart diagram of this as well as the flowchart we've created in this particular file? Call it MEAME dot. Just let this rip. I have almost maximized. Nice. Okay, accept it all. And now can I view this? Does this look good? Woo! What the hell? So, error handling, idle, system states, initializing each name chances of progress, tracking error counts, research. My God. This is not helpful at all. Don't know why we start in the error handling state. Maybe we should let go back to this, and we should have, how do I cycle through these? Go on preview, plan this out maybe. Or if that's going to be any better. One is so small though. Cool though. Let's see. Got some. Stop it. I don't want to see myself. Okay, MEAME README, proof of concepts. functionality, documentation, proof of concepts, resources. Oh, okay, so I got a bunch of old code in there. Makes sense, I guess. This might be actually a little bit better here. Let me go ahead and, is this applied? Syntax error, okay. Let's go ahead and accept all. Undefined. I forgot how to cycle through these, but we'll put this on it. I don't know what's going on here. Let's see if this chart's any good. This isn't so bad. Okay, user dashboard, start, load configuration, verify user setup dependencies. Okay. So, what dependencies are we going to need here? I know we're going to need FFmpeg, I believe. Let's just kind of yoink this. need command. Really? What is that doing? This needs to be Command Shift K. Okay, and then we need Command Shift K, delete line. That's what a useless thing. And then we need open cursor, edit Command K. Okay. Please format this in proper Markdown. Thank you. Use code blocks to surround sections. Okay, we'll commit that. Not commit this, it's nonsense. Okay, create MEAME SRS, looks good. Push. Let's go through and modify this. Let's modify this document so it's more like a software requirement specification, and include all of the information that's currently here. Just provide some guidance for adding sections to the SRS, similar to what's already there. So we've got, this document specifies for the MEAME video content, it specifies detailed description of the system's functionality, constraints, interfaces, scope. This document is designed to automate video content processing, transcription, and distribution workflows. The initial, I want to say scope here. Scope. Video content. What? Modify this document to be more like a software require. What the fuck is going on? Modify this document so it's more like a software requirement specification and provide guidance for modifying and adding sections. I really like the idea of traceability of requirements throughout the code base. I like the idea of being able to quickly jump to a piece of functionality given a package by feature folder architecture. I like the idea of including information about the purpose of this software to automate the process of content derivation from a raw video, content derivation, content classification, content organization, content linking to similar created content, content tagging, such as what languages, features, patterns, libraries, etc. are being currently covered in the video, etc., etc. So go ahead and please create the software requirement specification with that in mind. Or modify this document so that it fits the shape of a software requirement specification better. Is that done already? Why did you get rid of so much content? Please include all the content that was previously here and just format the document like a software requirement specification. Okay, so edit is kind of whatever, but if I go with the I'd like to keep all of these documents in sync, and right now I'm just trying to plan out the first functionality I'm going to build, and I think that's going to be the dependency management and setup, etc. So, actually, let's get right to the fun part. So I want to break up a video and, or given a YouTube URL, be able to download that video and then start extracting screens from it on a configurable rate. I'm going to read through the software requirement specification and provide some feedback that I would like edited in there, and we will go from there. This document specifies the software requirements for MEAME, a system designed to automate content derivation, classification, and organization. Well, already I would like to make this miniature. Toggle collapsed. There we go. So, gosh, everything's always in the way. Derivation, classification, and organization from video content. Distribution, organization from video content. MEAME process video content to extract and classify content, generate derivative content, link related content, tag and categorize content, support multiple languages, track technical patterns and libraries, and organize content accordingly, aggregate feedback, content locations and metadata, organize, aggregate content feedback, user interactions, use metrics. MEAME involves a package by feature architecture, organized for discrete traceable components, user stories and requirements, setup and configuration, rec setup. As user, I want automatic system dependency verification. As user, I want automatic dependency installation. I want clear setup, manual setup instructions when desired instead of automatic. Requirements platform: install Mac OS support. Initial Mac OS framework, Electron-based React desktop. Node.js, FFmpeg, Python 3. Video as a content creator, I want automatic video transcription. As a developer, I want code snippet. As a blogger, I want programming blogger. Automatic extraction of code snippets and transcription explanations of code patterns, explanations of what's going on in the different videos, located temporally close together in terms of time, and also references to similar patterns used in other videos and posts. I want my code snippets extracted and translated into various different languages. When code snippets are occluded from the page that's on the screen right now, I want to use context from the code base, as well as similarly surrounding timestamps to derive all of the different code snippets in full. I want pretty images of the code created with tools that already exist. I want frames of code to be classified based on what language is currently shown on the screen, what programs are currently being shown on the screen, what tools or extensions are currently being shown on the screen, and ideally I would like to see links to all of those, such as Xstate, React, Rust, Visual Studio Code, Cursor, Aider, WebStorm, etc. So LLM, could you please add these user stories and requirements to this section? Thank you. Let's see how this did. As a programming lawyer, I want automatic code snippet extraction with syntax highlighting. I want code snippets translated to multiple languages. As a programming lawyer, I want code pattern detection and explanation. Please also add that I would like imagery embedded in the blog posts that link back to timestamps in the longest video available that contains that timestamp. I would also like to add links to the git commit where the code that was currently being shown on screen is introduced. We can derive that with times and perhaps some kind of git magic where we automatically commit every so often. Please add that I would like shorter video clips extracted from interesting parts of the longer video that are no longer than 3 minutes. And I would like large language models to analyze the surrounding transcript to determine where those points are and to provide metadata about timestamps, time ranges, topics that were covered, some of the more interesting points that were highlighted, and automatically extract those smaller videos. Distribution as a user. Testing. Distribution. As a user, I want automatic multi-platform posting. As a content aggregator, I want organized content management. Please add more information here. I would like to specifically talk about where all of the content's going to be uploaded to. For example, YouTube, Vimeo, my own S3 buckets perhaps if I want to archive the content, Twitter or X, TikTok, Instagram Reels, LinkedIn, Medium, dev.to, etc. And then I also would like to be able to basically, I want a list of all of the different pieces of content that I've created and in raw, and a little bit of information, maybe their title, some of the key topics, the date they were originally recorded, in a list to view from the home screen of the application. And then when I click in, I would like to be able to see all of the different clips that were created, all the different blog posts that were created, and to see all of the different places those things were uploaded to, as well as a list of feedback, positive feedback, negative feedback, comments, etc. All right, I'm going to end this video.